Did I see Nick Cannon? No.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flaws, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, really gon' rise to the sun.
I went to the Wildin' Out Nick Cannon and Friends pool party at Mall of America in New Jersey. And when I say it was lit, they was throwing money. They was twerking all over the place. The BBLs was out. The middle of the mall jury was there. The boys was impressing the boys. Like, it was a good time. It wasn't no drama. Everybody left their drama at home or at the gate. I mean, it was a little scuffle in the mall after the fact, but at least they waited until after the fact to get into their drama. But besides that, it was a very cool event. I didn't go there with the anticipation to meet Nick Cannon or see him or anything like that. I literally went to have fun with some friends and my cousin, which I seen for like a good 2 seconds and then she disappeared again. But I didn't go there to see any type of celebrities or anything like that. I went solely to have a good time with the people that I went with and my little cousin. Did I see Nick Cannon? No. Did I see DJ Youngfly? No, because that was the person that he was with. Apparently, they said that he came out 2 seconds before everybody had to leave out of the pool to basically thank everybody for coming out and everything else like that. What time he got there, nobody really knows because nobody really seen him until the very end of it all for those who was there to see him. So yeah, when you go to events like that, you can't, even though they have the celebrities on the flyer and stuff like that, because I've seen a lot of people saying that they wanted their money back, it was forced advertisement and everything else like that. If you went there to go see Nick Cannon and DJ Youngfly, or you went there with the anticipation of seeing Nick Cannon, getting close to him, shaking his hand or whatever, you went for all the wrong reasons. You are supposed to go to an event like that with some friends that you know that you're going to turn up with and you're going to be able to have a good time with. I didn't think nobody was really checking for Nick Cannon because nobody was really looking for him. Like, it wasn't really like where he at. It wasn't that type of party. Like, everybody was having a good time. We were dancing in the water. People was playing with the beach balls that they had in the pool and stuff like that. I'm not really a big pool person, so once the water hit waist deep for me, I ain't going no further than that. I'm only 4'11", so I ain't trying to go no further than waist. I still want to be able to maneuver and groove out of the water because I do have a fear of drowning to my death. So water for me, waist length, that's it. That's as far as I'm going. But overall, I did have fun. Am I going to another pool party? Yes, I am. I am going to one July 30th, and I'm going with my little cousin this time. I'm not sure if my friends are going just as yet, but I know me and my cousin got our ticket, and we will be there. July 30th, it will be Fabulous, Jada Waiter, and Ari. So we'll see how that goes. I am going to do what I did this time around, vlog with my phone and everything else like that. So yeah, I'm gonna try to take more pictures. I'm gonna get there early so I could try to at least take pictures in my bathing suit, because I didn't really get pictures in my bathing suit this time because the line was child. The line went from one end of the mall to the other end of the mall. We went from one exit and had to walk all the way to another entrance of the mall. I mean, it was going pretty quickly, but we stood online for maybe like an hour and a half. I don't think they were anticipating so many people because this is not the first party that Nick Cannon has had in this mall. It's actually the second one, and I think the first one, Rick Ross showed up at the first one, and I don't think he was anticipating so many people, but they did have police, they did have security and everything, so it was a pretty cool event. If you are in the tri-state area and you can get your ticket for July 30th, I suggest you get your ticket. The early bird special is sold out, which was $40. And I think the ticket is now, the general admission ticket is $60 plus a fee or whatever the case may be. They do have another one with 50 cents that will be happening August 6th. I won't be at that one, but I will be at the July 30th one. So that's it. Please come without the anticipation of meeting or seeing anybody, and just come out and have a good time, because that's literally what it was all about. It was just good vibes. Like, everybody was dancing. It wasn't no ill bitch please. It wasn't none of that stuff. Like, everybody literally had a good time, and they stayed amongst the people that they came with. Of course, the men were walking around doing the most. Of course, they was being men, but besides that, it wasn't no drama. It wasn't no issues. It wasn't none of that in the locker rooms, from what I know. After the fact, once people get liquor in their system, they act kind of crazy. But from what I know, it wasn't no type of drama or anything like that at this event. So it was pretty secure. It was pretty safe. We didn't walk through like metal detectors or anything like that, but like I said, there was state troopers there, it was security there, and it was just a vibe. Like, it was a really good vibe for me to be out for the first time in 13 years. I had fun. I went there to have fun, and that's exactly what I did. So if you are there July 30th, I will be there. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Make sure you check out the description bar to follow me on all social media platforms. I am Skyla Star Official now. I have all my business links down there. I have my P.O. box in there. So definitely look in the description bar. And I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye.